Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to find your archive community on WhatsApp for PC after the new update. Whether you use WhatsApp for work, school, or just keeping in touch, this update changes how you see your archive chats and communities. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. If you're using WhatsApp Web or the desktop version, make sure you're signed in with your account. Once the app opens, you'll see the familiar layout, your chats on the left and conversation details on the right. Now, look closely at the left sidebar. This is where WhatsApp has placed quick access options like chats, starred messages, and now archived. With the new update, you'll notice a small folder icon or the word archived listed just below your main chat section. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you open it, you'll see all your archived conversations neatly stored in one place. These could include individual chats, groups, and yes, your archived communities as well. The great thing about this update is that archived chats stay hidden from your main chat list even when new messages arrive, keeping things tidy and distraction-free. From here, scroll through the list to find the community you want to view. Communities on WhatsApp are groups of related chats organized under a single umbrella. So if you've archived one, it will show up right here in your archived section. Click on the community to open it, and you'll have immediate access to all its linked groups and updates just like before. If you decide you want the community to reappear in your main chat list, simply right-click or select the menu icon beside the community name, then choose the option to unarchive. That will move it back to your main sidebar instantly. And that's it. You've successfully found and managed your archived community on WhatsApp for PC. This small but useful feature helps keep your workspace clean while still giving you easy access to older groups and communities whenever you need them.